Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a really fun video because I haven't sat down and filmed for a while and I've been seeing these videos pop up and I wanted to give it a shot. So today we're going to be trying out mixing all of my foundations together and we're going to see how they work. I have really dry skin and I find that no matter what foundation I use, it never really wants to work with my skin tone, or not my skin tone, with my skin type. I have 9 foundations here, and I'm going to mix them all together. I'm hoping they're going to fit in this little container here so I can, like, keep it in case it's really good. I think the person that started this video is Safiya Nygaard, so I will list her video down below. I know RawBeautyKristi did this video, and so did Laura Lee. But yeah, so go check out those videos. I will link all those ones down below. Hopefully this turns out good, and I'm going to try and keep it on for the day and do, like, a check-in wear test, and we will see how it goes. Also, I have, like, some matte ones, I have some dewy ones, I have some, like, CC creams, I have, like, drugstore, I have high-end. So it's going to be a nice little mix in here. But let's just get right into it. I was busy thinking about Okay, so I did 3 pumps of all of my foundations. It smells kind of funky. I don't know which one of my foundations smells that bad, but... Alright, so there's my mixture. It looks like a decent color. I'm just hoping that this is enough to do my whole face. So I'm just going to apply it with the back of this brush. Okay, so that is one layer of the foundation all over my skin. It's picking up a little bit on the dryness on my forehead, but other than that, it looks pretty decent. It didn't really want to stick to my nose over here either. So now I'm just going to try and layer it up a little bit and get a little bit more coverage. Okay, so here is the foundation on. Honestly, I don't think it looks too bad. The color is a decent match. And it actually wanted to stick to my nose. When I went over it the second time, it actually did stick to my nose, which normally foundation just doesn't. I'm going to just go do my concealer and everything. Actually, let's do my concealer on camera so you can see how it wears over the foundation. I'm just going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, so concealer looks pretty decent. Okay, and now I'm just going to lightly dust powder over top of my entire face. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad. I would leave the house like this. So let me just go off camera, finish my makeup, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished the rest of my makeup. I'm just going to zoom you guys in and show you how the foundation is holding up so far. It's been on for like... How's it? It's 11:30, so like probably about a half hour. I just kind of threw on some eyeshadow and everything. So let me just zoom you guys in. Okay, so now you're nice and close. So I'm just gonna try and show you. So right here in my laugh lines, it's like caking up. And on this side of my cheek, I don't know if it's showing up, but it's like lifting. Same with on my forehead, it's like grabbing a little bit. Other than that, it is still looking pretty decent. I'm actually pretty surprised. It is 11:30 a.m. right now. I'm just going to go and film another video. And then I'm going to come back later tonight once this has been on for like a couple hours. And do like a final check-in and tell you guys how the makeup lasted throughout the day. Yeah, so so far not too bad with the mixed foundations. Obviously I'll give you my final review later. Hey everyone, so it is 7:45, so it's been like 8 hours since I put on the mixed foundations. And I'm just gonna take a look and see how it is wearing. Okay, so I'm just looking at it. It definitely looks really, really cakey. It really didn't like stick to my nose that well. And I didn't like touch it up any throughout the day. It's like really cakey on my upper lip. My forehead is kind of like, looks kind of gross. Let me just see if I can zoom you guys in and show you. Okay, I'm just gonna dim these so you can hopefully see. So like on my nose here, it like didn't stick at all in like the little nose crevices. Like my top lip looks so cakey, and then my forehead is like, I don't think it's showing up on camera, but like it's like really scaly. Those little laugh lines I had are like really, really cakey right now. Okay, so obviously my first impressions weren't terrible. I kind of always have trouble with my foundation lasting through the day. It just literally just never wants to stay on my skin. But this definitely broke up faster than most of my makeup does. And yeah, it looks fine from a distance. Other than my nose, it looks like it's like just makeup is coming off of my nose and I'm not even like touching it like throughout the day. But other than that, it like looks okay from a distance, but when you get close up you realize how terrible it actually looks. It also felt kind of heavy throughout the day, like constantly felt like I had a lot of makeup on. I will probably not be using this foundation again. The coverage was decent, but I don't think it was good enough to like write home about. And yeah, it definitely broke up around like, well, like pretty fast in this kind of area, and I don't even get oily at all. It just was like falling off here and cracking, kind of like flaking off a little bit. And my forehead looks horrible. It looks scaly. And then yeah, it just looks really cakey, especially on my bottom lip, and I don't know why. That's never happened to me before. And yeah, basically that's it. I'm gonna say that this is a flop. I would never use this again. Unfortunately, I'm just gonna stick to keeping my foundations separate and not mixing them all together. But I did have a really fun time filming this video, so hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.